What's up, guys? Sorry I've kind of dropped the ball lately on what I've recorded. So we've been working on this pond for about 3 weeks. I had a week where we were waiting on some answers, so we went to another pond, started it. Now we're back here, and I don't know how much of this that I recorded, but the backyards ended pretty much at the sod line, and it sloped down on a 2-to-1 slope down to the silt fence. The toe of the slope was actually like back in here somewhere. So the pond that I'll show you in a minute, we had to cut out about 150 loads of rock and carry back here with the track loader and build this slope out. We built it out 10 to 12 feet at the top and 25 or 30 feet at the bottom of solid rock. And as some of you may know, rock doesn't really grow grass that well. So the person we're doing the work for said they want to put topsoil on this. They wanted to put topsoil on this slope and in these backyards. Well, there's no topsoil at all in this whole neighborhood, so we are hauling topsoil in from somewhere else. I'm taking the 953 track loader, carrying it around here, dumping it off the slope, dumping it on the top, and I'm taking the Cat D5 dozer and grading it. So I didn't record yesterday just because it was wide open. Today I have a little bit more time this afternoon, and I'm going to record me grading these backyards and slopes. So here's the pond that we've cut out. The top of the slope I probably laid back 30 feet and all the way around, and the bottom I cut out 8 feet in that big pool and 6 feet in these pools. We had to take all that material and the material off of the slope and carry it all back around the houses. Over there is where I just was. So this morning, trucks have been dumping right there. I've been taking the track loader, carrying it bucket by bucket, carrying this topsoil over here and spreading it in the backyards, pretty much just spot dumping. And then I will getting on the dozer now to come over here and spread it all out. So I'm going to set you guys up, and I'm going to work my way from there back this way, and we are actually going to cover this whole slope, big slope, with topsoil. So we're getting the trucks to dump right there now, and instead of carrying dirt, now the slope's pretty steep. Instead of carrying dirt with the loader, I'm just going to push it from there and finish out this last little bit and then work my way around there. So yeah. So I've got that slope graded from, I don't know if you can tell the difference in dirt, but that's all, whole side's done. Those backyards are done. I got the slope all the way around the back of the house is done. I still have to track all of that in, obviously, but we've got a few loads of dirt here. I'm gonna start working in and working down this slope, and then we've got trucks coming today as well, and I'm gonna get them to dump over here so I can push it down for this side. And yeah, I mean, we'll be done with this part today, and next week we will start putting clay in. We're gonna put a whole clay liner from that level down there, a foot on all of that lighter colored dirt down there. So it'll be a foot thick, and we'll compact it really good so it will seal off and start holding water. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but the wind's blowing pretty bad. But we just got finished with this pond. I'm sorry, it's been kind of chaotic. We got done with the clay liner and everything. I didn't get any video of that, but I figured I would just show you the end result. I've been on this pond for a month and a half, and moved a lot of material, probably 2,000 yards of material, something like that, with a 20-ton excavator and a track loader. So it's not like we're getting anything done that fast, but here's the final result. So bang, there it is. We got our topsoil hauled in. You saw us do that. That's the last thing you would have seen. And then we had about 10 loads of clay sitting here ready. And then we got another 20, I would say, hauled in to put in the bottom. So from here down is all clay. So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show y'all before it gets rained on. Pretty proud of it, honestly. I'm glad we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. I know I don't say much. Trying to get more personal and share a little bit more about me, but from the bottom of my heart, if you watch this video all the way through, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Jesus loves you, and I do too. Thanks, guys.